guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Kausar, and today we're diving into something super exciting. It's a West Side haul. So, if you're a fashion lover like me who loves good vibes and even better deals, then this one's for you. You're gonna love what I've picked. So, grab your chai, coffee, iced tea, whatever makes you feel good, and just sit back and relax and watch the video.
Amazing!
So, starting with this beauty, guys. Just look at that. Isn't it giving you Pinteresty vibes? The color, the pattern, and everything. It's just so classy. And it is very, very comfortable, guys. I have wore it like a few times, and I did not feel uncomfortable at all. It's a very classy piece, and the color especially. So I wanted these color key heels from a very long time. So as soon as I saw this in West Side, I had to pick it, guys. So it is from Luna Blue. In case if you want to know, it is from Luna Blue. It's a West Side brand, and the price is somewhere between 1400 to 1500. I don't remember the exact price. I will put it down in the description box, guys, for you. So this is the first thing that I got from West Side. So just for your information, guys, my favorite color is black. So anything in black, I just want it. So the second thing that I picked from West Side is also a black dress. As you can see, it's a basic bodycon dress, and it has a little bit of ruche detailings here. So it's a full length dress, and it's a basic bodycon dress that I want, and it is a little bit out of my comfort zone because it is sleeveless, guys. So I usually don't wear sleeveless. As you can see, I have good muscles, right? So yeah, but I'm definitely gonna wear this because I tried and I just loved it, guys. So I'll attach a picture also, just in case you can want to see how it looks on me, and please give me honest review that is it's looking good, right? So the third item and dress which I'm going to show you guys, you're not gonna believe that I got this from West Side, and it is one of the most favorite dress from the entire haul. It is my favorite dress from the entire haul that I'm going to show you. It is this very pretty dress. Just look at the sleeves, guys. It's balloon sleeves, guys, and it is such a good dress. The fitting, the quality, the design, everything is just so Pinteresty, and I just love everything about this dress, guys. I'll just put a picture. You can see how beautifully it has fitted me, and I'm not gonna lie that like it it's worth every penny, guys. You can definitely grab this one from West Side if it's still in stock. And at this price, I mean, it's just for 1699, guys. And I am in the size medium, and it is just wow. So the next two items are basic shirts. So I have taken two shirts in different colors and same pattern, and these are both basic shirts that I want. The colors are very very good. So I'll just show you one by one. So these were the two shirts that I got. Same pattern, different colors, because why not? Basic. So the second last item from West Side Hall is this t-shirt. It's actually a t-shirt from Studio Fit. It's also again a West Side brand. So I'll just show you. It's a basic white color crop t-shirt basically with black uh, neck design, and it's a very cutesy t-shirt and a basic one. So this is the other thing that I got from West Side. And now we are at the last item, guys. It's a basic denim dress. Nowadays denim dress are very much into trend, and मुझे काफ़ी time से चाहिए था एक denim dress because I don't have any. So as soon as I saw this in West Side, so I had to take it because I wanted one. तो काफ़ी basic सा denim dress है. It's a bodycon denim dress, and I'll just show you. So again, it is a sleeveless dress, guys, but you can style it in multiple ways. You can wear it with a white shirt or a denim shirt. So I'll just put up a picture with the styling also for you guys. You can have a reference. So yeah, you can style it up, you can style it down. So everybody should have one denim dress in their wardrobe. So this is the last thing that I got from West Side, guys. So that's a wrap on my West Side haul, guys. Which one was your favorite? Which outfit was your favorite? Please comment down below. Honestly, I can't choose one because they all hit so different. And if you really enjoyed this video and you want to see more such videos on lifestyle, fashion, and hauls, so please subscribe to my channel and like this video and give your love to me, guys. Till then, stay stylish and stay you.